Hi guys, welcome to my review about the Vensmile solar powered mole repeller. This is a 2-pack version. It has solar. It should be good for 550 square meters, and yeah, it says it should when it's fully charged, then it should be good for 24 hours. In the description on Amazon it said 7 days. It should be good for 7 days. So I don't know. Here we have the website. Maybe there's some more information about that. Here again, 550 square miles, no battery needed. Weather resistant means water resistant, environmentally friendly, safe for children and pets, and human treatment of pests. Okay, yeah. Specification: solar energy cell activation every 40 seconds. The frequency which is transmitted is about between 400 Hertz and 1000 Hertz, made in China, like almost everything. So here we have the two repellers, some small instruction. I've made another tutorial, another video about that if you need the detailed instructions. So basically they say you have to put it into the ground quite deep, but yeah, and it should be at a place where it can get some direct sun. But based on my experience, it also works when it doesn't have direct sun, or not direct sun the whole day. I've been checking it, and it was transmitting this sound every 40 seconds. The thing is, I got two of these. They are quite sturdy, actually. I'm surprised. Some people were telling that they were not water resistant. I had a similar thing, and it was full of water after some time. So when I shaked it, I could clearly hear some water in that, and it died, of course, no question. The thing is, I would like that you can remove the stick and the head, so you can easier push it down like in harder soil, but usually it shouldn't be a problem. Usually it shouldn't break when you push it down like this. This is the solar panel. I think this has a decent size, and there is just one button here. It's a little bit hard to tell when it's on, when it's off, but you can feel it, like when it's hard, when you push a little bit and it's somehow hard, then it's off. Then you can push it in, and then you can hear the sound. So now it's a little bit soft. You see, you can move it around. You can move this plastic thing around. So then it tells you that it's on. You can, yeah, you hear. So I paused it a little bit to make it shorter. So it is really about every 40 seconds that it emits this noise, and I can clearly feel that there is a vibration. There is actually no like ultrasound. Some manufacturers say they have some very high sound as well, or some have combination with low vibration like this, and a higher pitch sound, which is some like ultrasound in the range of 20,000 Hertz or something like that, which you can't hear. But sometimes it can be a problem if you have pets at home. They can still hear it. So Yeah, I think it's the vibration. I can feel it, but is it really enough to push away moles? I don't think so. I think it would be better to have less vibration and a little bit harder vibration, because in the internet you find some evidence that people have been managing to drive away moles with devices which they built on their own, and like it banged from the wind like a glass, like a bottle and or a stick. They put it in the ground, and the bottle which moved around with the wind, and then it made bang sometime, and but not in the same same, like every 40 seconds or so. Maybe moles get used to it when it happens at same frequency, like the same every 40 seconds. So maybe it would be a better thing if they could emit this sound in different some like say sometimes after 30 seconds, sometimes after a minute, sometimes after 10 seconds. So a little bit of variation, that would be really great, and have a variation also regarding this sound. So what I had, my complaints, one of these devices came dead on arrival, so I can push it in, nothing happens, even when I had it full day in direct sun. So really nothing happened. So this is really dead on arrival. This was working all the time, but they say in the description, of course it needs some time till it really works, till moles find out that that is not a temporary thing, that something which they can push away or get rid of. So so it takes a couple of days, maybe in a couple of weeks, I don't know. So I've been using this for several weeks, and I pushed it into the ground, and after a couple of weeks, right beside it, I had a big hill, or like a bump from mole, and several around it, and the last one was directly beside of this mole repeller, and he pushed it a little bit to the side even. So I don't know, can't have been too disturbing for him. Maybe even he liked it, I don't know. So at the end, the thing is, what I also found, they have these listings on Amazon, and they renew it from time to time. So I think that it's not a new device, it's the same device. They list it for some time. They probably buy some good reviews. So at the beginning it looks good, 4 stars, 5 stars, probably. They start with 5 stars, of course, because they pay for these good reviews. And then after some time the reviews go down. Like at the moment, this is currently available. The listing has removed, so I mean it's still there, but you can't order it, and the rating goes down. Now about 30% of all the people rate it with 1 star. Like most say it's useless, has to go back to the drawing board and those things. Most people are really disappointing. 2, 3 and 4 stars, there is almost nothing, and 1 stars, there are still about 40 or 45% or something like this. This looks really a little bit suspicious, and now they have already a new listing for this device. So I think these devices are probably super cheap, and they can afford paying reviewers and make new listings. They sell a couple of them, and then they close it, make new listings. So I cannot really recommend that yeah, that's it for now. I will definitely return it because this one is not working. It was never working, and let's see if I find a similar device which is really working, because based on the some entries on the internet which I found, it should be possible to get rid of moles which something like this, but probably not this one. It should be a little bit more sophisticated, maybe stronger, or yeah. Anyway, so that's about it for the moment. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any question, just write to the comment section below, and always happy to talk about. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.